Hey guys, just want to give you a quick review on this WePro Multimeter. So I've been using this thing for a couple months now. Some of the things that I use it for is I've been working on making like LED signs. So I like to use it to check my voltage, make sure I'm hitting my proper 12 volts and not overloading anything. I've also recently been working on some different like electronics, like robotics type things with my son. So that's a kind of a new venture for us, but it's done a really good job for us with that thing. We're with working on those things. That has really good amps and volts and resistance meter on it. Fairly simple and straightforward. It does come with these alligator clips that kind of just fit right on here. I know you can't really see, but it just has a little connector where this kind of rod here sticks inside to create a connection. See, so I slid it on there and it stays on. Same thing on the black one. Just line it up, almost kind of like a plug or outlet in your house. You just push the rod in there. Oops, I missed it. There you go. Push the rod in, it just creates a connection. Then you can easily take your alligator clamps and hook it onto your wires and check, whatever you're trying to check. So it's been a really good product for us to have on hand. I know I've looked at tons of them. These things can range from like super cheap to like super expensive. For me, doing the research and stuff, I mean, I've used lots of different multimeters in the past and doing more research just to see where the value is. I think this is a really good value. I mean, the price was really reasonable, especially compared to what you get. I mean, it came with the battery. It has a nice, I'll take it off, like kind of rubbery vinyl cushion case on it. So that's been, pretty nice. So you can, shouldn't drop it. But if you do drop it, it's been protected. I can tell you I've definitely dropped ours. It has a blue backlight on it. So if you need to light it up or whatever. So, I mean, it's super portable, easy to take out to the car. So, I mean, I've done things like testing electrical circuits in the cars or stuff, like checking your fuses or whatever. It does a really good job. So anyway, like I said, if you're looking for a really good value multimeter, regardless of what stage you're at, I think this is a good product to go with.